Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening PowerShell with the right privileges. Choose Administrator when you will modify system settings. Once open, check Get Execution Policy to see script restrictions and Set Execution Policy remote signed only if you understand the risk. Next, run Get Help and Get Command to discover CMDlets and parameters. This prevents guesswork. Try a simple command like Get Process to see output. Make sure to run Update Help if you want offline docs, and then move on to composing one-line commands. Once you can run single commands, build pipelines, use the operator to pass objects from one CMDlet to the next, and apply Select Object or Where Object to filter and shape results. You will store results in variables like $list and manipulate arrays with @. For repeatable work, write small scripts using for-each and functions. Define parameters with param, and follow verb-noun naming so your functions are predictable. Test each piece interactively before composing a full script to catch errors early. To finish, execute your script with /your_script. PS1 or invoke the functions you created. Make sure execution policy allows it. For security, sign trusted scripts or limit file permissions and check signatures with Get Authenticode signature. If something fails, read the error record carefully. It tells you the CMDlet, line, and message. Rerun with verbose and use start transcript to capture the session. That helps isolate issues. If you still struggle, simplify the failing step and test smaller inputs until the problem is clear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.